That is realistically how long it takes to screw in one thing. Just one. Just one.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're returning, please click on the red subscribe button to become a part of this family. The purpose of this vlog is the fact that I finally have my work from home office desk. And it's here and it arrived and it is heavy. Okay. Again, Bob the Builder is back. Bob the Builder, the female version, is back. So let's see if we can Bob the Build this beauty as she is supposed to look. Okay? Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Before though, I think let me unbox two smaller items that I also got. From my story organic. Nice packaging. This is for my hair and it's also for the drier parts of the skin on my body. I love sweet almond. Okay, we have the instructions. There we go. Let's see if they will actually help the case down. Okay, these I think are the legs. I'm gonna put those on. Just another leg or something like that. Another piece. Okay, there's a bigger. Oh, there. Another piece. Yeah. Okay. That is the actual table part, I believe. There's stuff in the bottom of the box. What I'll do is I will do a time lapse because there's a lot for me to figure out here. All these screws, I need to actually read and figure out where they go. If I show all that, we'll be here the whole day, so let's time lapse it.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me.
I already made my first mistake. Oh, can I even raise this thing? This piece with the holes on the sides is supposed to be at the top because there's screws that need to go in. So, take two. Me and this Allen key against the world. Yo, I'm sweating already. Hi, guys. Let's normalize furniture coming built.
Tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are.
That is realistically how long it takes to screw in one thing. Just one. Just one.
I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
I just made another mistake. That thing that you saw me put is meant to go on the top, and it took me so many minutes to actually think about it. So we're gonna do this again. This is the second thing I'm doing again. No, probably third, fourth. I don't know.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to